Got a toddler running around? Today on Mom to Mom, we're going to help make your morning routine a little easier. Today we're putting together a toddler bin, pretty much to kind of get their morning started. How many times does your toddler come to you asking like 900 questions before breakfast? This is kind of like a good way to get their day started, and it keeps them off the TV at the same time. And chances are you probably have all this stuff in your house to put these bins together. And they start to look forward to it after a certain amount of time. So what you want to do is get a bin. Then you want to find some things that they love to do around the house. And I usually start with about 4 things to put in the bin, and you can alternate them in every day or once a week, however your toddler prefers. So I like to do like a book, maybe some Pop-Its, kids love these, something that they can fidget with. You put this together so when they come down in the mornings, you give them their breakfast, and then they have this bin to look forward to. That way they don't run straight to the TV and they're eating their Cheerios right in front of the TV. And we all know how important it is for toddlers to have those morning routines and for you to have your cup of coffee and just relax for a hot second, right? Moms, if you have any wonderful ideas that we can do on the show, we'd love to hear about it. You can message us up on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.